girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party, girl. Dream house, dream spouse. This is everything.
Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm coming back to y'all with another video. If you are new here, you done click this video, honey. Hey, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all, if y'all watch my last vlog, y'all know I've been, into my beauty supply store wigs. I picked one up from I picked a couple up from my local beauty supply store, and I am so excited to try them, you guys. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Do not forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. So y'all, like I said, I picked up this wig from my local beauty supply store. This is in the brand Mayde Beauty. I think that's how it's called. I think that's how it's pronounced. So we're gonna go with that today, okay? So this is their extra deep lace frontal wig. Y'all, it's 5.5 inches, honey. Like, I am so excited for this wig, y'all. Synthetic wigs done came so far, and I am like shook on how this wig is gonna turn out. This is also hand tied. This is in the style X01, and I did get it in the color number 1. This is so strange. Yeah, I did get it in the color 1. Okay, so you guys, I am so excited to try her, and if y'all, like I said, if y'all watched my last video, y'all know that I am extra excited. So if you guys are interested, make sure you keep on watching.
So many things I'm going through, so much that I wanna do. It's time to become so clear to me. Tomorrow ain't really guaranteed. So many days I thought of you. It's about time you know the truth. Got to act quickly when I fall in so many reasons why. Don't we?
Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this, but this like completely detached from the lace, like completely detached from the lace, and I'm a little disappointed with this construction. I sewed it back on, but I didn't do a very good job because I wasn't intending to. This was just temporary, but you can do a better job of it. I just wasn't going to spend that much time trying to get this together. I just wanted it to hold good enough, but I'm very disappointed with the construction because in me combing this with the brush, it should not have come loose that quick. Bummer. Okay, y'all, so she is done. Your girl is done, okay? I absolutely think she came out gorgeous, y'all. But first, let's get into this construction of the cap. Now, y'all did see that little defect they gave me. I do not believe that's the way the wigs are made. However, that was my experience with the wig, and it kind of fell apart at the adjustable straps. So that was one of the downfalls of the construction of the cap. But other than that, everything else was well placed. Everything was beautiful in the inside, okay? The lace color matched really well, although I did go in and add my own foundation color just to get it closer to my skin color. I thought that it was really great for our brown skin girls. Now, the feel of the lace is super duper soft, y'all. This reminds me of HD lace. It's not as thin as HD lace, but the softness is right on par with it. As far as cap size, I think this is big head friendly. Like, I would say it's in the medium realm. It's not too small to where it's, you know, snug on my head, but it's not too large to where it's swimming in it, honey. So I feel like this cap is actually big head friendly. It will hit those, you know, ear to ear tabs, and then you will not have any issues with it. Now, y'all, as far as tangling and shedding, honey, I've been running my fingers through it and all that good stuff. I will say you need this brush, you need this brush. Like, these ends think they tried it, honey. They tried it. So I will definitely say you want to make sure that you have a wig brush on hand because of the length. I want to say this is giving me about 22 inches. This is definitely giving me about 22 inches. But I think with any long hair, you definitely want to make sure you're maintaining it well. But this one, she gonna need that brush, honey. Shedding, I'm not getting that at all. I have like no, I'm lying. I'm getting like 1 or 2 strands, but not enough to be excessive, not enough to where I really notice, obviously. So I really feel like they did a wonderful job when it comes to, like I said, construction overall, shedding, tangling, big head friendly, lace color, everything, honey. So I am really feeling her. I think she is perfect as far as like if you're going for that sleek look. And then on top of it, y'all can't tell me this ain't virgin hair. Like, come on. Come on, sis. So y'all, on a scale from 1 to 10, this is a 10. You cannot tell me she's not a virgin hair dupe. Like, look at that lace. I was able to do a whole curve part, y'all. Y'all can part all through that lace, and you can't beat that. You can't beat that for $45. Like, you can't. $40, like, you can't beat that. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this was very helpful for you. If you have any wigs that you all want me to try, go ahead and drop those names below. I'll pick them up, we'll review them real quick, we'll talk about it, okay? So thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Later.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Trust up time, let's